Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your username on a Discord. If you want to try give some different name or you want to try give some fresh name, so in this video I will give you step by step process how you can change username on a Discord. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your Discord application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in. Now you can see the your profile icon at the down in corner. Tap on that. After that you can see the setting icon at the top right corner. Tap on that. Now you can see your account option. Tap on that. After that you can see username, so tap on that username. Now give some different name here. Now you can see that username is available. So after that click on save. Now verify it with your password what you gave while creating your Discord page. Then confirm it with that. So after tap on done, it will take a time. It is asking for confirmation, so tap on confirm. Just wait for a moment. Now you can see that your username is changed on our Discord application. So in this way you can change your username on a Discord, and remember that choose a username that is easy to remember and follows Discord communicating guidelines. And also thanks for watching this video. If you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.